it's nail day! So my first client is Jessica, and on her pinky she had a small accident, so she wasn't able to get her nails done for a couple of months. But now that she's back, she wanted to come in and get a simple, classy set. So of course, after prepping the natural nail and the cuticle area, because that is my favorite part, I applied the Nails and Blinks tapered coffin nail tips, and then here is the length that she wanted to do. Here I'm using my Valentino dehydrator and primer so that the acrylic adheres very well to the nail plate and we don't get any lifting. She ended up choosing this beautiful dark pink color, and it's one of my favorites as well because it's more on the translucent side. So after filing and shaping, I went ahead and applied the light pink gel polish around the corners as an outline French. This is how they came out, and they were super cute. My second client is Bernice, and of course she was over here telling me that she forgot to get ready again, so I was just like, really, dude? But anyway, she wanted to do some Mickey Mouse Disney World nails, so I was so excited. She brought me this inspo picture from Pinterest, and we went ahead and used that beautiful orange. It's a perfect pumpkin color, and it's actually called pumpkin. And then black on 3 of the other nails. I added some little polka dots, and then I started drawing the little Mickey on the middle finger, I believe. I used a dark orange and a light one, added crystals, and look at how beautiful these came out. I was so in love with them. My third client of the day is Annalisa, and she also wanted to do a cute little spooky set, but she couldn't go too extra with the nail art because she does have a very important and strict job, so we have to make sure to do it a little more on the classy side. She wanted to do a medium length, and then for the color, we chose Bad and Bougie by Valentino. This is another one of my favorite shades, aside from Classic Nude. Then I drew on these cute little ghosts, and these were so adorable. And my last client of the day, her name is Paola, and she also brought in a set by At The Nail Room on Instagram. She created such a beautiful spooky Halloween set in the color pink, but Paola wanted to do it in purple. So I got super excited because I rarely get purple requests. I applied the extra long coffin nail tips by Nails and Blinks, and then dehydrated and primed. For the base color on all of the nails, I used Soft Touch by Valentino. It is a soft white color. Super white is, of course, more on the opaque side, but I really wanted this to be more of like a translucent, soft base color, so I went in with this one. And then here is my application only. Then I went ahead and added the nail art, which was the blood drips in purple, the spider webs in black. I did a little spider, and then I wrote Boo on the pinky. And then, hey everyone, it's nail day! So my first client is Monique, and you guys know how much I love doing her nails. She always lets me freestyle. So I actually had gotten really inspired by one of the nail sets I saw on Instagram. I believe her at is Not Polished by Theo. And she did this beautiful black set with like the not glow in the dark, but it looked like glow in the dark because they were really bright pigments. So I wanted to do something with that. So I did a Frenchie on the pointer finger with Classic Nude by Valentino. I crisped it up. Then I added black on the pointer finger, on the ring, middle, and thumb. So this is after they're nice and filed and shaped. I applied the sugar glitter on the pinky, did some nail art, rubbed on some of that pigment, and then look at how gorgeous these came out. My second client of the day is Kayla, and she did want to do something pretty simple. This is her first time with me as well, so here I'm making sure to extra prep the cuticle area, and then she wanted to go for more of a medium length. She said that she had a fashion show to go to, which I was like, ooh. So of course she wanted to go with something more neutral, so we went ahead and did Excite Me by Valentino, which is a beautiful, soft, glittery white. And then on 2 of the fingers, I did an ombre with the number 6 mixed with Glamorous Nude. It's such a pretty mix. If you guys haven't tried it, you need to. And then, of course, I am sealing the cuticle area with one of my favorite bits. It is the Smooth Top by Valentino. And then look at how pretty and classy they came out. I was watching American Horror Story as I was eating lunch because I was just feeling the spooky vibes. My last client is Lauren, and she also had brought in an inspo picture. This one was from Pinterest, so I really don't know which artist it was, but I was prepping the nails, and then look at how satisfying that looks. I love doing this part. I used the bigger round bit to make sure that I get any excess skin, like little bits of it. Don't worry guys, it doesn't hurt. I applied Classic Nude by Valentino on all of the nails, and then here I'm making sure to file, seal the cuticle area, and you guys know that that is key to prevent lifting. Then I used the Valentino black and white gel polish, and then I did some little nail art with some little twinkle stars and then little swirls, and this is how they came out. Super cute. Hey everyone, it's nail day! So my first client is KB, and as you guys saw, she was super excited to get her nails done. It's been about 2 months since I've seen her, so she did have a lot of cuticle buildup, so I did have to take some extra time to prep the cuticle area and her whole nail plate just so that we don't get any lifting. I'm using a medium grit cuticle bit, BIT everyone, to prep the cuticle area, and just look at how satisfying that is. She did want to go pretty long today, so we used the Nails and Blinks extra long coffin nail tips. They do have a natural C-curve to them, so they are not too curved. And then I used those colors that I showed for the nail set. It was mostly all browns with a pretty champagne glitter. And here I'm doing like a V-cut with my little blade, and I'm making sure to take out all the acrylic so that it doesn't mess up my little V-cut area. I added some cute little leaves, and then I did a brown marble using the different browns that I showed in the beginning. I added some glitter, some more leaves, and then I used this beautiful color in the middle. It's like a brick color, and these came out so beautiful. Then it was my client Cecilia's birthday. I've been doing her nails since 2017, everyone. It is crazy. We did work at Bill Miller's together before that when I was in high school, so we have come a long way, and I always appreciate her, and I love her so much. So she wanted to do something classy. We did the Bad and Bougie color, and we added some cute little gold flakes as an ombre, and then of course I am sealing the cuticle area, and then look at how beautiful these came out. And my third client of the day, her name is Facey, and she wanted to do a simple Halloween freestyle, so she also had a lot of cuticle buildup as well. She did say that it's been a while since she got her nails done. She also came in from Corpus, so I went in and used this beautiful pumpkin color. It is the perfect orange. And then I did my little Frenchies, and some of them were plain nude nails with the classic nude. I did some nail art. I drew a little spider, some little spider webs, and these came out super, super cute. I absolutely loved these. Very much spooky vibes. And my last client of the day, her name is Lexi. She is a very close friend of mine, and these were going to be her birthday nails. So we went in and prepped her nails, applied the nail tips. She wanted to go in with a blue themed set, and this is how they came out. Super beautiful. And that's it, guys. Hey everyone, it's nail day. And besides my first client, which is Jackie, most of my nails have been pretty simple lately, only because a lot of my regulars like to wait and get something simple so that way they could get something a lot more extra for fall. So my first client wanted to do a Bedazzled Me Out set, so of course I had to go in with the Hidden Pleasure color by Valentino, which is a beautiful nude color with some gold sparkle to it. It is so beautiful. And I also added a lot of Swarovski crystals. I chose to do the color emerald because it complemented this nude color so well, and this is how they came out. They were super gorgeous. My second client of the day, her name is Anaya, and this was her first time with me. She recently had a pretty bad experience getting her nails removed by MMA acrylic. If you guys don't know, MMA is very bad for your natural nails. Usually the liquid is what's the worst part because it's illegal here. So I went ahead and I tried to prep them as gentle as I could, her natural nails, and she just wanted to do a plain color, which is this beautiful mint, and they came out super cute. My third client of the day, her name is Ashley. She wanted to go in with a fall color already, but she wanted to just keep it simple because she usually does a lot of designs on her nails. So I went in with this beautiful color. It was called Mocha, and I thought it was the perfect brown to start up fall. So here I'm doing my little application process. Look at how beautiful this color is. And oh my gosh, guys, I'm so excited for all of the fall sets that you guys are going to see. After my application, I used the Valentino nail file to file up and buff my nails, and look at how gorgeous these came out. And my last client of the day, her name is Brianna. She did have a little accident with that pinky there, so since her whole nail did come off, I know she did have to wait a couple of months to come back. But anyways, after prepping and doing all that good stuff to the natural nails, I applied the Nails and Blinks tapered coffin nail tip, and of course I go in with Classic Nude, which is my favorite all-time nude at the moment, and I applied the jelly colored acrylic as well. Both of these colors are from Valentino. After doing that, I used the gel polish 009, and I did the little Frenchy smile line with that gel polish color, and these came out so cute. And that's it, guys. Bye! Hey everyone, it's nail day! So today's nail day was a pretty simple one. My first client is Rebecca, and she is having her baby shower, so she wanted me to do some fall themed nails. She also wanted to step out of her comfort zone and go longer than usual, so I applied the Nails and Blinks tapered coffin nail tip, and then I used Crystal Clear by Valentino, Classic Nude, of course, by Valentino, some leaves, some gold flakes, and the beautiful brown color called Hot Chocolate. So this is me applying the hot chocolate, then I did an ombre, and then this is how they they came out. I also added a 3D flower, super gorgeous. My second client of the day, her name is Rebecca, and I was refilling my sanding bands until I get the nails in blinks ones. By the way, they are pink. I also went in with the same tips, and she wanted a short to medium length, simple color, and they looked so cute. And my last client of the day, her name is Violet. We ended up using the tapered square nail tips by Nails and Blinks, and they're a lot more sharp from the tip. And I went ahead and started filing and buffing, and then this is how they came out. They were super sparkly and